Zdravo ljudi moji, ja sam Zeka i dobrodošli na još jedan novi video za Hitman Absolution part 2 gdje smo stali s ovim tutorialom, ono šta god i ono sve. I sad otprilike znamo kako sve funkcioniše i bit će još neke stvari, ja mislim da ćemo morati nešto tu da više naučimo, ali sad ajde, to je to. Znači sada smo sami i morat ćemo da nekako ovdje da dobijemo neki key card ovdje. I da, ajde, ništa. Mada ja ne znam gdje je to. Aha, to je vamo. Da. Ne, nije. E pa ja što ne znam, brate. Your mama, čekaj. Be majku. Dobro, morat ću ja da ovdje... Da. Okej, ništa. Evo.
Use instinct to locate objects of interest.
Is a trade secret handed down from master to apprentice for centuries. I will take the secret ingredient with me to the grave.
Is it salt?
No. No! What do you take me for? Salt? Please! I am one of the finest chefs in this culinary wasteland, Culination. You put liquid butter on your popcorn, and you have the nerve.
Okej.
About my
Može da prestane da priča, brate.
award-winning recipes. Salt. Shame on you, sir. Shame. Now go on. Get out of here. Shh.
All right, relax. Was only asking. Christ, don't have a heart attack.
Okej.
Out, I say. Go guard a gate or shoot at some beer cans, you big ape. What?
Shit.
Hey! Command, requesting medevac ASAP. You got a casualty.
Bye. Okej. Morat ćemo da odnesemo ovdje. Ovamo. Pazi. Ne brinite se vi. Ja ću samo ovdje ga bacim. Kad bi mogu malo brže, ali ja bih...
The container has room for one more body and still has room for you to hide.
Bravo. Baci ga tamo i to je to. Okej. Ništa. Idemo dalje. Tamo je neki lik. Aha.
Turning on a radio can create a distraction.
Man, Yankee November here. I hear some noise. Stand by while I check it out.
Ajde. Dolazi.
In other news, the weapons industry
Turn
giant
that on.
Kakav sam ti ja lik je.
Last year, the old CEO, Richard Strong, was scandalously shot and killed during a rooftop party at the Carrington Hotel by an unknown.
Okej. Malo ću ovdje da odvorim. Iskreno. Mada. Ček. Okej. Sada. Da vidimo što ćemo ovdje, a?
Listen up. Miss Burnwood is in the upstairs shower and will be down shortly.
Upstairs.
Girls in her room will remain
Upstairs.
so for the time being. For those of you who do not know the drill, I will personally appoint a close protection host for each client on a 6-hour shift cycle. You will not, I repeat,
Okay.
not leave your VIP side for any reason during your shift. Any breach of procedure will result in immediate termination and subsequent blacklisting.
Blacklisting, brat.
Fail in your
Okej.
duties, you will never work in this business again.
Okej, to je lepo od vas, ali...
Dismissed.
Shit.
Sits there staring into space. It must have some kind of baggage.
Okej, ali morate da se pomerite.
This is Alpha. Order one of those mobile restrooms to put in the gardens. I will not risk infiltration by allowing anyone into the mansion that has not been directly approved by myself or by my closest staff. See that it is done. Over.
First aid. Može. To. Dole si ti sam.
I tell you, of all the clients I've worked with, this has got
Guatemalan. Perfect flavor, perfect temperature.
Nobody seems to know.
Chef knows his
Not even
coffee.
the head, I think. But I caught a glimpse of the documents the other day. They had
Your disguise is blown.
Ok.
Enemies will be looking for a man
Ništa.
on guard. To clear your identity, either eliminate the witnesses or find an alternate disguise.
Ok. Pa to je kod tome. Ok, evo ga keycard. Ništa, idemo. Ka gore, da ide.
If your score is high enough, you will unlock an assassin technique. Open the notebook to see your next unlock.
Checkpoint, može. Aha, ok. Ja sam mislio da... Aha. Sleeping pills, pa je to. Ok. Zanimljivo, ali gdje je to? Ne vidim u inventora. Dobro, nema da se ajde, idemo dalje. I evo ga keycard. A ne, to je ovo nešto kao... Pa dobro, barem će se vidjeti lepo ovih tela. Ništa, unlock, ajmo. Da vidimo.
Closing in on target.
Locate Diana.
47. Now remember, Diana brought this on herself. She betrayed us, the agency, the code, everything we stand for. She is too dangerous to be left alive. Think about that when you pull the trigger.
Ništa, da vidimo. Opa.
Wait.
E pa... Jebi ga.
$47? Report, 47.
I should kill you. Why did you do this?
47! Damn it, what's wrong with this thing?
We all have our limits. Even you, 47. We used to have honor.
Diana,
No. I had to take her away from the doctors. I knew you would understand.
Fuck. Something's not right.
You won't last long.
There's no time.
You still have a chance.
in my robe.
Okay.
A letter. Now go. Take the girl and run. Before Travis finds out. Please. Do not let her turn it to you.
Inače da, Agent 47 je
I promise.
sproveo svoju 2D kao detinjstvo, kao neki eksperiment. Da bude kao neki super moćan lik. I zato zbog toga je takav, jer očigledno nijedan normalan lik ne bi postao kao on ovako, normalno. Tako da da.
Running is noisy and makes it easier for your enemies to spot you.
Ma ne seri da je to, da će mi to ovako kao da vidi, da čuje.
Agent 47 can deal with enemies swiftly and with great precision. Note that while you are focusing on your targets, you expend instinct rapidly.
Ovo, ajde.
Turn the camera to focus on your enemy, then lock the shot. Fatal damage. Focus on the next enemy. All enemies are dealt with. Now execute.
Ja sam zaboravio za ovo, iskreno, da. Da, brate, ja sam zaboravio za to. Okej. Pa ništa, idemo. Disguise ili... Majok. Aha. Znači to je to.
You know who I am.
I know. She's dead, isn't she?
Come on, stay close to me.
Where are we going?
Vidi ga.
It's done.
Excellent work, 47. Bring the girl to the extraction point.
I samo rekao kao jebi se.
What are you doing?
Da ne ostavi otisk. Dobro, dobro.
Why did the agency want you?
I don't know. I guess I might have.
Diana did this for you. Why?
Please, she was my only friend. She took me away from the doctors.
Tell me about the doctors.
It's really blurry. Like, really bad dream. Why?
We need to go.
Sir, there's
Duh.
nobody here. I think the asset has gone AWOL.
God damn it! I was afraid it couldn't do it. I want every agent on this. You hear me, Jade? Locate 47 before he slips between the cracks.
Pa nije tako loše zapravo. Iskreno. Technique upgrade available. Okay. Gardener continue, ajde. Da vidimo što će biti.
You need to get off the streets. The agency knows my secure locations, and they will be searching for us. This is the safest place I know.
Can I come with you?
You need to hide, till I know what's going on.
Oh, it was you who called.
Yes.
Oh, you must be Victoria. Come on in, child.
Thank you for your help. This girl is important. Take this.
We will take good care of her, my son.
Diana said you need that necklace. Don't lose it.
Will you come back?
To je nešto veoma važno, taj neklas. Gledat će on. Sa njegovim bar kodom na pozadiju od njegove glave. Da li je neko uopšte pokušao da skenira taj bar kod kod Hitmana, brat? Ja ne znam zašto to pitam, ali ajde kao.
Birdie, we need to meet.
Your actions precede you, my man. Yeah, I gotta say, I admire a man with the courage to shit where he eats. I'm guessing you're in need of some information, and I just might be willing to play ball. But first, I got a favor to ask. You listening? Sweet. Well, see, this is local upstart calling himself the King of Chinatown. Not exactly the understated type. And I would really like him to hand in his resignation, if you catch my drift.
Znači, prvo da njega ubijemo, pa onda taj lik će nama pomoći. Part 1, The King of Chinatown, okay?
Resides at the pagoda in the center of town, where a unit of dirty cops guard his every move. He rarely leaves the crowd except to meet up with his dealer in a pad overlooking the square. Yeah, he's also got a swanky European ride parked in a nearby alley. And that's all I got, Holmes. So, call me back when you're done. Got it?
Ma vaš. Point shooting, aha, okej, to je za kao ono. Da li ima ovdje nešto? Pa nema baš puno. Okej, idemo. Opa. I što, idemo. Oh wow, okay. Znači to je telik što treba da ubim, ja?
There are countless ways to assassinate the King of Chinatown. 12 of these assassinations will unlock challenges. To view the challenges, consult the notebook.
Ne treba mi baš ovo, ali dobra, ajde, šta je?
A completed challenge will grant a permanent score bonus. The more challenges you complete, the higher your potential score. Happy hunting.
If this guy was a cat, he would still be dead. Kako to baš, da. Znači ima neke challenges, kako ubiješ iz svoje kao targets, što je zanimljivo, vidite kako.
Get your ass down here for a minute. I have a sweet tooth and I'm all out of candy.
How about for your lovely lady? Step on her. Secret ingredient gonna explode in your mouth. All right, who's next? No, sir, yeah.
Pa mislim...
Yeah, well, make it snappy.
Zar nije prosto, jebote? Okay. Oh wow, okay. Okej. Pa to je baš nešto. Pa ajde, idi jebem ti. Užasno. Iskreno užasno. Brate, šta je treba? Okej, pa to je bilo lako zapravo. To ti je jedan način da se to uradi. Barem. Tako da da. I misija gotova, ajde da. Bukvalno. Okej, šta je sa njim?
I need information.
Well, that's my business. Information. You need information, I find information.
At a price, of course.
You're damn right at a price. Of course.
Girl named Victoria. The agency wants her bad. I need to know why.
No, wait. The agency. You want me to snoop around the agency? Were you crazy? Yeah, you crazy. Alright, what is it worth to you?
Name your price.
Well... tools.
Sad da vidimo. Brate, kad je ovaj došao samo povraćao, ovaj moj otac jebate. Samo povraćao. To je prva stvar koju ja čujem jebate. Od njega. Se ne povraća, ali nešto slično. Ajde bre, više. Okay, pa to je bio to. Weapon handling 1 unlocked. Reduces recoil while firing weapons. Next level improves 47's reload time. Okay. Pa to je barem lepo. Ja ne znam što bi rekao. Veteran. Okay, pa to je lepo. I eto ti da. Ajmo da vidimo šta je ostalo ovdje. Čekaj.
Waiting. For what? Still have a chance.
Mm-hmm.
47.
Why did you do this?
Do not let her turn into you. Take the girl and run.
I cannot be part of this anymore. I promised I would keep you safe.
Da nije stvarno, brate...
Yes.
Terminus Hotel, room 899.
Terminus, part 1. Još uvijek je part 1, koliko ja vidim. Kao... Ujebote, sam mislio da mi nešto zazvao sa grafičkom.
And the answer came back in the shape of a name. Blake Dexter. An arms industry VIP who seems to have taken a special interest in your girl. Dexter occupies the Terminus's top floor, and his thugs have the place sealed off tight. Still, a man of your skills and resources should be able to find several access points. Good luck, Holmes.
Hvala ti. Da, kao što vidite, on je uklonio taj kao bar kod. Tako da, eto ti. Svakako idemo i da, to je bio to za ovaj part, ovo je bio part 2, bit će i part 3 uskoro, naravno, tako da, ali za sada je kraj, tako da. Ja ne mogu, ono, koliko to ja govorim je nevjerojatno. Da, vidimo se moji poz, ako vam svidio da te like, subite se, like, sharujte, vidimo se kod part 3, ljudi moji. Ćao.